In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva AI to generate images and edit in Affinity. By the end, you'll know exactly how to produce a strong AI-generated image in Canva and get it ready for creative refinement in Affinity. First, make sure you're on a premium plan. Canva's AI image generation is a premium feature, so if you're on a free plan, you'll see limitations or prompts to upgrade. Check that you're signed into the correct account and that your subscription is active before you start. This avoids running into roadblocks right when inspiration strikes. Next, open Canva and click on the Canva AI tool. You'll find it within your design workspace, accessible from your main dashboard or inside a new design. The interface is simple and designed to keep you focused on your creative direction rather than technical setup. Once you open it, you're in the right place to start crafting your prompt. On the right side, you'll see a field where you can type instructions for the image you want. This is the heart of the process. Write a clear description that includes the subject, style, and mood. Think of it like briefing a creative partner. For example, instead of saying a landscape, try a dramatic mountain landscape at sunrise, soft golden light, mist in the valley, cinematic, high detail. You can also include composition cues like wide shot, centered portrait, or negative space for text, and visual qualities like matte finish, vibrant color palette, ontunitoin, or subtle grain. If you already have Affinity editing in mind, describe elements that will make your workflow smoother later, like asking for a clean background, even lighting, or room for overlays. The more specific and visual your language, the closer the result will be to your vision. When your prompt is ready, click Generate. Give it a moment to process. The AI will render an image based on your instructions. If the result isn't quite there yet, adjust your prompt with small, targeted changes. Add a detail, refine the style, or clarify the composition, and generate again. This quick iteration is normal and often the fastest path to a great base image. Once you're happy with the result, you're set for the Affinity phase. Canva AI gives you the creative foundation. Affinity is where you can fine-tune colors, refine edges, enhance contrast, or layer in typography and effects with precision. Together, they make a powerful pipeline from concept to polished design. That's it. Simple, focused, and ready for your next project.